Thank everybody for coming today. I know we've spoken to most of you through the receiving line or just kind of mingling around here, but this is a very special day for the two of us. No, Gunnar, you guys did not know before I did. When I first told my parents about Cindy the day after.
I don't know if this is a veiled threat or a train robbery.
Jimmy's friends told him to shake the champagne before he opened it. I can't believe he fell for it.
Watch that toddler in the receiving line and the lady on the receiving end.
Jillian and Steve loved to dance. They just weren't very good at it. I'll bet you that's the last time Steve lets Jillian lead. Since it was Gerald and Jenny's first wedding, they thought it'd be wise to have a spotter in the reception. Okay, looks like Gerald's ready to take it from here. Now, how about that whole threshold thing? Uh-oh, looks like he pulled the classic newlywed blunder and made the comment that he would be wearing the pants in the relationship. So she was forced to let him know that while he may wear the pants in the family, she'd be taking those pants with him in them anywhere she wanted. I think these two are gonna make it, especially now that they have their roles so well defined.